Don't carry yesterday's failure. There are moments in life when everything falls apart, when you lose everything you've worked for, or even someone you love most. It's tempting to look back, to cling to the past, hoping things will come back. But true healing begins the moment you take even one small step forward. In a quiet town lived the young man named Avi. He was ambitious, hard-working, full of bold ideas. He believed that with enough effort, nothing is impossible. So he built a business from the ground up. Sleepless nights, countless sacrifices. For a while, success followed. His name commanded respect, his voice carried weight, and his dreams felt unstoppable. But life is fragile. One storm, a few wrong choices, a partner's betrayal, opportunities disappearing overnight. Suddenly, everything began to crumble. And here's the first truth. Effort is never wasted, but it does not make you invincible. Avi's business collapsed. People who once celebrated him now whispered about his failure. Streets that once felt like a stage now felt like a courtroom. And the harsh reality, the world rarely remembers how hard you tried. It only remembers where you fell. Yet Avi couldn't let go. Every morning, he walked past his old office. He stared at doors that were closed, replaying memories, the laughter, the ringing phones, the energy of employees. At night, he sifted through old files, hoping to find the single mistake that ruined everything. But looking back never fixes forward. Reflection can teach you, but it cannot rescue you. By day, Avi walked with his head down. By night, he stared at the ceiling. Failure whispered in his mind, "You are not enough. You've ruined everything. You will never rise again." And this is cruel. Failure doesn't just take what you built. It tries to take who you are. Avi withdrew from friends, trapped in the prison of what-ifs. What if I hadn't trusted him? What if I had left sooner? But what if is a cage. It locks you in a past you cannot change while life passes by. One morning, Avi saw an older man named Moshe. He was tending a small shop, quiet, peaceful, humble. Avi wondered, how can someone with so little be happier than me, who once had everything? Peace is not in what you own. It's in what you choose to carry. Weeks passed. Avi wandered familiar streets, avoiding new paths, clinging to the old. One afternoon, a boy asked, "Why do you always come here?" Avi said, "This place, it used to be mine." The boy replied, "If it broke you, why do you keep standing in it?" The words cut deep. Truth often comes from unexpected voices. That night, Avi realized he was still standing in the place that broke him, waiting for it to heal him. But broken places do not heal. They hold scars. Life will not fix you where it broke you. Healing demands movement. Healing demands forward. Avi tried to start small. He opened a notebook, but fear gripped him. What if I fail again? What if people laugh again? What if I am truly not enough? Fear convinces us that staying stuck is safer than trying again. One morning, Avi visited Moshe, a retired teacher. He admitted, "I failed. I built something I thought would last, but it collapsed. I can't let go." Moshe said,
Avi, if a glass shatters in your hand, do you keep holding it, hoping it comes together? Or do you let it go before it cuts deeper?
Avi understood. Holding broken pieces doesn't keep them alive. It keeps you wounded. But if I let go, what do I have left? Moshe smiled.
You have yourself, and that is where rebuilding begins.
Avi realized, you are worth more than what you lost. The days that followed were not easy, but they were different. Instead of walking past the old office, Avi chose new paths. The ache to look back remained, but he forced himself forward. Change begins with the smallest steps, even when it hurts. He cleaned his desk, threw away old contracts. Each page felt like a part of his identity, but with every paper in the trash, he felt lighter. Letting go is not weakness. It creates space for new strength. Avi began journaling. At first, words were broken. Anger, regret, self-blame. But slowly, new sentences appeared. I am still alive. I still have time. I can try again. His steps changed. He no longer lingered in the ruins. Each day, he walked new roads, and slowly, they led him somewhere unexpected. He helped local shopkeepers, mentored younger men, ignoring the voice of pride whispering, "This is beneath you." Months passed. Small tasks taught discipline. People sought his wisdom, not for past success, but for understanding. Avi noticed opportunities, small sparks others overlooked. He built a new venture, not chasing size or applause, but focusing on strength, sustainability, and purpose. Success without wisdom collapses, but success built on lessons endures. Years later, the town no longer whispered about his failure. They spoke of his resilience, his ability to rise again. Avi understood. His story was never about the fall. It was about the rise. He stood in his new office, watching the sunset. Air felt lighter, chest no longer heavy. Scars remained, but only as reminders of how far he had come. I am not what I lost. I am what I chose to rebuild. Avi's story is not just his, it's ours. One day, life will break us, and we will face the same choice. Stay where we fell, or rise and rebuild. Remember, 1. Don't stay where you were broken. 2. Small steps create big transformations. 3. Humility is the foundation of rebirth. 4. Failure teaches, it does not define. 5. Scars are proof you survived. 6. Your worth is greater than your losses. 7. True success serves. It doesn't just shine. Wherever you are, in failure, betrayal, loss, or rejection, don't wait for the past to return. Don't mistake scars for chains. Life has more for you. You are stronger than your failure. You are bigger than your pain. And your future holds more than your past could ever contain. If this story inspired you, like the video, comment what you learned today, and subscribe for more. Remember, the story isn't finished. The page isn't closed. And just like Avi rebuilt, so can you.